World English Blog Video Quiz. So and such. In this quiz, you will have 10 seconds to choose the correct answer. You can always pause the video if you need more time. Let's begin. He spoke so fast that I could hardly understand what he was saying. He's such a fast talker. It's hard to understand him. I need to buy a new microphone. The one I have now is such a pain. I had a very busy day today. I'm so tired now. I wish my boss was a nice guy, but he's just so mean. I wonder how one little boy can make such a mess. Ryan needs to wash his car. That thing is so dirty. Spring is such an exciting time for wildlife. Why are you in such a rush? The store was really busy today. The lines at the cash registers were so long you wouldn't believe it. Why is it so cold in the living room today? Is the heater broken? tell me your score in the comments. You'll find a link in the video description below for the blog post that teaches this grammar in detail. Join my English newsletter for lots more great English study tools. Click the button in the top right-hand corner of your screen and sign up today. It's free. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.